Oh, great. Okay, so I've had this problem with my car for a couple of weeks now where it intermittently won't start. I replaced a fuel pump in it and the fuel relay, but I'm still having an issue. But I want you to listen to the sound this thing is making when I try to turn it over. Hear that? I don't know where that sound's coming from. It sounds like it might be in the dash, under the dash, near the passenger side. But I'm stuck in a parking lot right now, so and it's dark, so I can't do much about it right now. But hopefully, somebody can at least know what that problem is and give me some kind of a suggestion on what it might be. This is a 2000 Honda Accord with the V6 3.0.